Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable and use contactless in Revolut. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Revolut and log into your account. So let me log into mine. Okay, so once I've logged into your account, so what are you going to do? You're going to enable the contactless option. So how do you do that? Once you're here on your home tab, click on the cards option here. All right, so when you get to this card option here, what you're going to do, you're going to look for the card that you want to enable the contactless feature. So for example, probably this card here, this is the card that I have here. So now what happens is, so once you get to the card, so click on the settings option, and then when you get to the settings option, scroll down, and then you will see an option called contactless payments. So all you have to do is just enable this. So tap this switch and then enable it. So once that's done, one more thing that you have to do is you have to enable on your settings as well. So go to your phone settings, usually under connections. If you go to settings under connections, you should see this option here, NFC and contactless payments. So enable that as well. So once you have enabled these two things, now you can straight away use your Revolut card through contactless. So you can just use it to complete any of your purchases, both online or in store, whatever, without any contact. So fully contactless. It's fully contactless. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.